We're getting a creative start to the start of the new school year with DIY expert Denise Wild. We've got so much, going to get right into it. You've got it's kind of like an Easter basket, but it's a back to school basket.
Yes, exactly, but for back to school. So we're going to take all of those school supplies, make that back to school supply experience extra special for your kids by putting everything in this basket. What I'll get you to do as part of the DIY is you're going to start to make a little flag.
Okay.
I've got one on this basket that says first day, and you're going to make a little flag as well. So basically you're just crafting up something nice to add a touch to this basket. Then you're filling it with all of their wonderful supplies, so it can be like a surprise. And I've got everything here. This is all from Staples Canada. You know, they are really a go-to one-stop shop for everything back to school. You've got great tech. You've got, you know, insulated water bottles and everything, you know, obviously basic standard school supplies, all the brands Canadians love. And they also have weekly red dot savings. So you get great prices, and you can find everything in store and also online at staples.ca/back to school.
Okay, I'm doing welcome to grade 4 because grade 4 was like my favorite. I don't know why. I don't know why it was. Okay.
You know what? Everybody has that memory of their favorite.
And that's a cute little thing that they can use in their photos too, right?
Exactly.
Okay,
Yeah,
so we'll put that in there.
Great point. Okay, so
There we
once
go.
you have that basket, then let's move up to, you know, doing things. I'm working with Post-it brand and Scotch brand to, you know, versatile school supplies and your everyday things that you need for back to school. So what you're going to do, you're going to take these Post-it super sticky notes and you're going to write a little message on it. Basically, this is a love note that you will put maybe in your kid's lunch or maybe put it on their mirror, an inspirational message. And these are things that you can do, you know, just creative projects. We're inspiring creativity.
Okay, and then just throw that in. I've still got
your
glue gun stuff.
Okay.
I love glue
So
gun.
we have a little message here. The next thing you're going to do is
so much crafting. I love it.
I know. We're writing on the Scotch Magic tape. So this is, if you'll look closely, I have done something on this stapler. So this is a plain white stapler, but I don't want my kids to ruin it. So we've decorated it up with the Scotch Magic tape, and then you can add this on, take it off when you want to switch it up. Basically, it's about dressing and decorating up your supplies.
So
and,
this is just on a silicone mat here, so the tape is not sticking to it.
Right. And then, you know, it's inspiring those creative moments and creating routines that stick year-round. So let's see. Oh,
so
perfect.
It's morning
I love
live.
that one.
So evening news. Don't touch our stapler.
Don't touch that stapler. It's perfect. Okay, so next up, let's talk about healthy eating and veggies, because that's really important with kids when it comes to back to school. I've made this little snackle box with vegetables that you can put in the fridge. Kids can do it
and already cut up,
lunch.
so they just grab them.
Nice and colorful. We have a rainbow of colors. You can also add salads to your kids' lunches. You know, add a protein, maybe put them into a wrap so that it's nice, healthy, and, you know, creative. This is Art, which is, I'm gonna do this while I'm talking.
Okay.
So this is Art. It's Canada's freshest, most creative salad kit brand.
I'm just gonna reach in and grab one.
Extra
What is
delicious. This is toasted bean. I forget which kind of bean it is.
It's really good.
But this is, it's so good. They use farm fresh ingredients. And so you feel good, it tastes good, and it's perfect if you're busy, if you've got a lot on your plate. As I said, you can add a protein, you can put it into a wrap, and
it's easy.
It's so easy, tastes delicious. Make art.ca, and yeah, everything is here.
Okay.
So good.
We've run out of time.
Oh, okay.
For our favorite things, but in the time capsule.
Time capsule. Make a time capsule. Have your kids fill it out before the beginning of the year. Little questions.
Go on to our socials.
Yes.
We'll get the link up at chch.com/morninglive.